Hello everyone, let's look into another set of selection, a very good set in fact. Let's read the set. Vikas, a student, has prepared a weekly schedule for his exam preparation. He has to study 4 subjects, that are maths, physics, chemistry and economics, during a period of 7 consecutive days. He'll study maths, physics for 4 days each, okay? Chemistry on 3 days, economics on 2 days. On Saturday as well as Sunday, he'll study only one subject. So he'll keep his weekend a little light. On one of the weekdays, which span from Monday to Friday, he'll study 3 subjects. So on just one of the weekday, he'll study 3 subjects, one of which is economics. So one subject out of the 3 subjects on which he'll study on a weekday would be economics. The rest of the weekdays, he'll study only 2 subjects each. Okay. Some additional information is given below. Let's see the additional informations. He'll not study any subjects on 3 consecutive days. He'll not study economics on 2 consecutive days. He'll study both maths and chemistry exactly once in a week on the same day. Okay. Partial information of the schedule is given below. So this is the schedule. Fine. So what else? So this is the schedule, the table that we have. Let's copy this table over here. So on Tuesday he'll study maths, on Wednesday he'll physics, on Thursday economics, on Friday he'll study chemistry, Saturday we don't know, and Sunday physics, and Monday chemistry. Now very clearly we know that on 2 consecutive days he will not study economics. So it makes it very clear that on Wednesday he'll not study economics. On Friday he'll also not study economics. Now before noting this down, let's see how many subjects that he has to study, or how many days he has to study. So math would be studied 4 days, physics would be studies 4 days, because maths and physics 4 days, chemistry on 3 days, economics on 2 days. Fine. Now we can see from whatever we have in the table given that we have just one place for maths. We have 3 places left for maths in the remaining 6 days. Let's try to arrange maths, 3 maths in the remaining 6 days with the constraints that we have. Okay. So let's start our first arrangement of maths. So let me write it down, that to arrange maths, only what we'll do is to arrange maths and see the possible combinations that we all can have. Okay. So maths is over here. Let's suppose maths is on Wednesday. So I'm fixing this. The maths is on Wednesday. So can maths be on Thursday? No, maths cannot be on Thursday, because 3 consecutive days, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, cannot be a same subject. Can maths be on Friday? Yes, maths can be on Friday, and maths can be on Saturday. Okay, so this is a possibility. Again, fixing the same position for maths on Wednesday. Over here maths cannot come. Let's suppose math is fixed on Friday, and okay, let's suppose math is fixed on Friday. This time we aren't giving it to Saturday. We cannot give it on Sunday, because on Sunday we'll have just one subject. So let's cross every possibility. So can maths be given on Monday? No, again we cannot give maths on Monday. If we give maths on Monday, then math would be on Tuesday, math would be on Wednesday. So that is not possible. Okay. So we have just one possibility, that is when maths is on Wednesday, maths would be on Friday, maths would be on Saturday. Okay. So this possibility is not working. Let's look for another possibility, or putting maths on Thursday, fixing maths on Thursday. So this is completely strike it down, this possibility, because we don't have any such possibility. Let's fix maths on Thursday. If maths is fixed on Thursday, can maths be given on Friday? Yes, maths can be given on Friday. And can maths be given on Saturday? No, then maths cannot be given on Saturday, because 3 consecutive days maths would be there. So not possible. Then can maths be given on Monday? Yes, maths can be given on Monday. So we have this possibility. Okay. Let's check for another possibility when math is fixed on Thursday. Maths is fixed on Thursday. And let's not give maths or Friday maths. Can you fix maths over here? on Saturday, yes, and math on Monday. So this is a possibility. Now again, this was the third possibility. Now again, second possibility is not possible. Why? If you observe, on second combination we have chemistry and maths, we have chemistry and maths, and very clearly in the third point it's written that both maths and chemistry exactly he'll study maths and chemistry exactly once in a week. So this second possibility is also removed. So we have just two possibility for arranging maths to 6 days, that is Wednesday, Friday and Saturday, Thursday, Saturday and Monday. So I've drawn these two tables accordingly. We'll put maths with the first combination. So according to the first combination that we have, that is maths would be on Wednesday, maths would be on Wednesday, math would be on Friday, and math would be on Saturday. According to the another combination which is feasible, that maths is on Thursday, okay. This is for the another possibility, or the third possibility which is feasible, that maths is on Thursday, then maths is on Saturday, then maths is on Monday, okay. Also we are very sure that economics would not occur on Wednesday, and economics would not come in Friday, because we cannot have two consecutive economics. So same goes for both the table. Good enough. So we have arranged maths in both these tables. Now let's try to, so 4 maths are done. We are done with 4 maths. How many physics are already arranged? 1 and 2 physics are already arranged. So let's try to arrange the remaining 2. Okay. So the possibility for physics are, it can come on Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday and Monday. 4 days, not on Sunday because Sunday it's fixed. So 1, 2 and 3. That is Monday, Thursday and Tuesday. We'll have to arrange 2 physics. Okay, let's try to do that. Now we have, again repeating, that is Tuesday, Thursday and Monday. In these 3 days we'll have to arrange 2 physics. So total possible combination is 3C2, which is 3. Now let's try to strike it down. Can you put physics on Tuesday and Thursday? We cannot put physics on Tuesday and Thursday because there would be 3 consecutive physics. So one combination gone. Okay. Let's try to put physics on maths, on Tuesday and Monday. If we put physics on Tuesday and Monday, then again we'll have 3 consecutive physics, that is physics on Wednesday, Tuesday and Monday, which is also not possible. So the only left combination is to put physics on Thursday and Monday. Good enough. Thursday and Monday. So we have arranged 2 physics. So all the physics have been arranged. So we are done with all the physics. Now we have to arrange chemistry. So 2 chemistry are already arranged. Maths and chemistry are done. We cannot put now we have to put chemistry. Can we put chemistry over here? No, we cannot put chemistry over here because one maths and chemistry is already done. Can we put chemistry over here? No, because if we put chemistry over here, math and chemistry, which is our already situation, this situation has already been done. Can we put chemistry over here? Yes, we can put chemistry. Okay. On Saturday there would be 1 subject. Okay, so the only possible situation or the place to put chemistry is this. And this condition also holds true for the condition that on a day that economics would be studied with, on a day on which he studies 3 subjects. Okay, and one of it would be economics, which was over here, that on any weekday he'll study 3 subjects, one of which is economics. Okay, so all 3 chemistry is done. Now we have to arrange economics. Okay, now where can economics come? Okay, so the only place for economics to come is at this place. So this is a possible situation. Okay, so we are done with this possibility. Now let's try to come down to this table and fix it accordingly. So we have already fixed 4 maths, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 2 physics is remaining. Now we have to fix 2 physics. Now let's see what are the possible situations or the place where physics can go. Okay, so this is one place, this is 2, physics can come over here, 3, and physics can come over here. Can physics come over here? No, physics cannot come over here, because if physics comes over here, there would be 3 subjects and it does not include economics, which violates our condition that from Monday to Friday he'll study 3 subjects, one of which is economics. So we just have 3 possible location for physics. Now 3 possible location, 2 physics, so 3C2, 3 combinations. Now we'll see which combinations are not possible. Can we put physics over here on Tuesday and Thursday? No, if you do this, physics would be on 3 consecutive days, which is not possible. So one combination has been removed. Can I put physics on Thursday and Friday? No, because again 3 consecutive physics will come. So this situation is removed. So only possible situation for physics to come is on Tuesday and Friday. So again we have completely fixed all the position of physics. We have fixed all the position of chemistry. Maths. What is remaining is chemistry. So 2 chemistry is already fixed. Now let's see where all chemistry can come. So chemistry can come. Can chemistry come on Tuesday? No, it cannot come on Tuesday because it would have 3 subjects and it does not include economics. Can chemistry come over here? Okay. Yes, it can come. Can chemistry come over here? No. Can chemistry come over here? So let me see. 2 physics have been fixed, all maths have been fixed, 1 chemistry and 1 economics has to be done with. Okay, so let's see the possible combination for chemistry. Chemistry cannot come over here, chemistry can come over here. Okay, and can chemistry come over here? No, it's already fixed. No. Can chemistry come over here? No. So the only possible combination for chemistry is this, to be on Wednesday. So this is chemistry. Now we are done with maths, we are done with physics, we are done with chemistry. Now we have to fix 1 economics. Now 1 economics, it cannot come on Wednesday, it cannot come on Friday, Saturday and Sunday is done. So economics can come on Monday. Can it come on Monday? Yes, economics can come on Monday. Can it come on Tuesday? Yes, there is a possibility that economics can come on Tuesday. Okay, so yep, that's all. So either economics can come on Monday or come on Tuesday in this situation. Now we can answer all the questions. This is the 2 possibilities. I have put it over here. Okay, so 1 possibility in this table and there is 2 possibility. 1 economics when economics on Tuesday and when economics is possible on Monday. So there are total in fact 3 possibilities. Let's see the questions now. Which subject does he study on Saturday? Saturday over here and over here it is fixed, and that is maths. Which subject does he definitely study on Tuesday? So Tuesday, maths and economics. Over here maths, physics, or maths, physics and economics. So there's no maths of course. So possibility of physics is here, but it won't be over here, so physics gone. It can be a possibility of economics over here, but economics can be over here even. So not sure of economics, it is not definitely, so gone. Chemistry is nowhere, so none of these is the correct answer. Now let's look into the third question. Which of the following is or are definitely true? Definitely true. The first option is Vikas will study both maths and economics on at least 1 day. Maths and economics. So math and economics is possible on 1 day over here in this table. Now let's look into this table. Math and economics is possible but not definitely true. But on Thursday, maths and economics is definitely possible. So first option is a correct option. Now let's look for the B. Vikas will study both physics and economics on at least 1 day. Physics and economics. So yep, it is possible in table 1 over here. Okay, let's see over here in table 2, anywhere physics and economics. Definitely physics and economics. So this is not possible because economics has two chances. So it cannot be put under definitely. Anywhere else, physics and economics, no. So second option is wrong. Now let's look into the third option. Vikas will study both chemistry and economics on at least one day. Chemistry and economics on at least one day. Okay. So let's see if chemistry and economics is possible somewhere in the first table. No, it's not possible. So this option is gone. So only the option which is correct is the first option. Now let's answer the fourth question. On which day he could have studied? He could have studied. So we just need to see a possibility. Okay, maths and physics. Need to be very clear. Could have and definitely true. Definitely true will stand correct in all the possible cases. Could have, we can consider any of the case. Okay, so could have studied math and physics. So Monday math and physics is okay. Monday math and physics, no. Monday nowhere it is maths and physics, so gone. Tuesday math and physics, not over here. Over here it's possible, so Tuesday can be a correct option. Let's check for Thursday. Math and physics, not over here, not over here, so Thursday also gone. Sunday chemistry and physics, math, nowhere math and physics, so the correct option is B. Hope you have understood it. All you need to do is to arrange. What was the steps? How did we solve? First we arrange the various possibility for maths, then for physics, and then for chemistry, and then we find the possibility for economics, and then we can solve all the questions. Hope you have understood it. Thank you.